Hello guys, my name is Amit. So today we are going to discuss about the system design problems. So basically we are going to see Facebook Messenger, and the first part, that is back of envelope calculations. So I'll just go into the system design stuff, that how we have to deal with the problems and what basically the questions are asked. So whenever you are going to any technical interview question, the companies will ask system design problems. So system design problems are open-ended. You will be given the requirements. You are supposed to do back of envelope calculations. uh, in back of envelope calculations, you are required to calculate the amount of data that the system need to store for somewhere around 5 years maybe, and the traffic which would be flowing, that is load on the system. So these are basically the two calculations which we need to do in the back of envelope calculations. And why this name? So consider that we are standing on a bus stand and we have an envelope. So we just turn the envelope back and we take out our pen and do some calculations. Those are rough calculations. That's why we say back of envelope calculations. These calculations are really important because this makes interviewer aware that are you able to see the system at scale. Are you able to see that system is going to meet the design requirements or the load requirements in coming future? Then in the system design we have to go to HLD, that is maybe the system is how I approach is I usually make the system for 2 users, then I scale the system for 100 users, then I scale the system for 1 lakh and above users. Then the databases, which the database schema is covered, that whatever databases you are going to see or going to use to store the data, that comes under the database schema. So these are the basic heads which need to be covered. And then I have added this by myself, that is we should be making our system as scalable, secure, and so on. Means it should be microservices oriented, that is every service should be broken up into every module should be broken into different service. Then there should be logging, load, latency, cache. The system should be available, accurate, and it should be able to analyze the data. AI parts card comes in. Then authentication should be taken care of. It should be reliable. It should be redundant. Master slave configuration of databases. Then it should be fast. That is maybe AWS Lambda. So these stuff we will cover in some other uh, video. In today's video we are just going to study these two things, that is the requirements and the back of envelope calculation for Facebook Messenger service. So this is the Facebook Messenger service we are going to study. So the requirements, functional requirements are that whenever user logs in into Facebook, then user can see all his friends and can send message to any of his friend. As we can see that whenever we log in, we can see the friends in the messenger. We are just talking about the messenger here. Then the second requirement is that user should be able to see the chat history for any particular user. Then user can send message to any person on Facebook, provided target person has not blocked the incoming message. For example, you want to send a message to someone you see on the Facebook, and if that person has not blocked you, then you are able to send hi at least to that person. Then these are the rough calculations. The text size send can be less than 650 characters. Audio message can be less than 10 MB, that is 1 minute audio. Video can be less than 45 minutes or 1 GB video. So these are the rough calculations. Now I'll just move on to the back of envelope calculations, that how we are going to do a bandwidth and data estimation calculation for Facebook Messenger service. So I'm just starting with year 2020. The world population is 7 into 10 to the power 9. So here for reference, we'll say it as a billion. So present world population is 7 billion, out of which actual internet users are somewhere around 40%, so it makes up around 2.8 billion. Then Facebook users are 60% of the internet user. These are actual facts actually I have taken. So it makes around 1.68 billion users are using Facebook. So now number of users sending text message per day is 60% out of these Facebook users. So it's assumed that um, somewhere around if 100 people log into the Facebook on a particular day, then and in that 60% send text messages, only 20% send the audio messages, and this is the video messages are sent by somewhere around 5%. So now these calculations comes out somewhere around 1 billion person say send text messages per day, somewhere around 336 million audio messages per day, somewhere around 84 million video messages per day. So this video messages, I believe, maybe somewhere lesser, maybe somewhere around 1% of people send the video messages per day. So now data estimates to be stored in bytes. So for one day, the requirement in bytes I'm just calculating, then I'll just calculate for 5 years storage requirement in bytes. So note, I'm just calculating it in bytes. So for chat, if we say we are sending 1 billion messages, as I have just done it above, 1 billion messages multiplied by 650. So now see, I have taken the character limit of 650, and each character is of 8 bits. This would be this would be 8 so it will be 8 byte I'm just taking. So it will make it somewhere around 5.2 terabytes. For 5 years I'm just going to multiply it by this 5.2 by 30 days into 12 months into 5 years. So it will make somewhere around 9.3 petabytes. So petabytes is somewhere around it's quadrillion, that is 10 to the power 15. Now for audio, the same calculation is the same, that is 330 audio messages, the audio 330 million audio messages, which we have just calculated here. I've just taken it 330 round off, multiplied by 10 MB size. So one audio message should be lesser than 10 MB. Now the point is that users can send less audio message, but I have taken it that every user is sending somewhere around approximately 10 MB size, so it makes around 3.6 exabytes, and for 5 years it will make somewhere around 6 zettabytes. For video, same calculation, 84 million messages per day multiplied by size, it makes it somewhere around 84 exabytes, and the calculation is 151 zettabytes for 5 years. So total space requirements, I have just added all the three, that is 9.36 and 151, it makes somewhere around 157 zettabytes. Now in this case I'm not considering the users who have deleted chat, audio, video messages, and also deleted their accounts. I'm not considering compression of the users, new users, and so on. So compression I'm not considering, the new users which are added to the system I'm not considering. So this is the amount of data calculation which is done in back of envelope calculation. It means that the total amount which we need to store, and this will give us approximate that how many servers which we would be using when we will do the database schema or database approximations. Now let's move on to the bandwidth calculations. So assuming that 1 second incoming okay, so this is that 1 second incoming messages is equal to 1 day incoming messages divided by this much. So here I have the calculation of 1 billion text messages per day, so I have just divided by this. So these are the chat messages, which are incoming chat messages. These are the audio messages, these are the video messages. So somewhere around total of 1 gigabytes of the bandwidth, that is 1 gigabytes of incoming messages uh, in 1 second to the system. So we will need a link to receive and send 1 gigabytes, send or upload 1 gigabytes per second. So these are actually the rough calculations. The majorly two calculations are done, that is this will give us tell us the load bandwidth calculation, that how much system will be under the load. This may increase or decrease during any season. For example, during New Year, during Christmas, we friends are going to send more videos and messages, so this will increase, and during other times it may decrease. And for the data estimates, the data estimates are done to do the estimation that how much database storage we would be needing, and how much server space we need for the storing of the data. So that's all in the back of envelope calculations. See you soon in high level design and then maybe the component design, and then the database schema design of the Facebook Messenger. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.